All right, guys, it's Carlos from Empty Pockets. Let me tell you something. You know, I got this KTM 500 EXC-f. I love this exhaust because it, has a 6 days engraved. I love it, but I'm always about performance. And apparently, this thing comes clogged. I could just change the tip, and the performance it will be a lot better. But I couldn't just do that. I had to go ahead and purchase the FMF. I was trying to surprise Kevin with the FMF already installed, but he came over and I couldn't just resist to show him that I bought it. So we're gonna go ahead and install it, show you how to install it, and do a sound comparison. I think that'd be great. So let me go ahead and turn this one on so you can see how this one sounds, and then once we install the FMF pipe, we'll be able to show you the comparison.
KTM makes it pretty easy. You have to remove 3 screws, 2 in the number plate where you see those holes, and then the third one's in the middle of the exhaust. Once you remove those 3 screws, there is a small little spring that you just have to pop off, and the exhaust just slide right off.
We had to take off this little grommet. It's just hot. Take off this grommet, and we'll have to take off this little plate and the grommet behind there.
All right, now the grommets that we removed from the OEM exhaust, just go ahead and install them onto the FMF exhaust. Just be careful you don't tear them. And then just one quick little tip, just make sure you give the exhaust a wipe down before you turn it on. I don't think I show that on here, but just grab a rag and give it a good wipe. Now for the installation, pretty easy, just reverse the steps, slide it in, put the screws, make sure you don't forget about the spring, and you're good to go. So here, next are gonna be the clips from the stock exhaust. I also have a clip without an exhaust, just the header, and then we'll do the FMF. And at the end, I'll try to do a comparison. We'll go back and forth.
Moment of truth, dude.
Truth. Hopefully it's worth it.
Well, I hope this video is informative and kind of helps you if you're on the verge of if you should buy an FMF exhaust or stay with the stock one. Now, one thing that I did experience, by now the bike is already tuned by the time this video comes out, so that's been addressed. But one thing is that when you just do a quick little twist on the throttle, sometimes the bike would flare out, so it would just die on me. And I would have to, start it up real quick. But that's something that I did notice once I changed the exhaust. By now, the bike is tuned and that has been addressed, and the bike is running great. Um, Also, the amount, I don't know if like horsepower, right? But the bike wakes up. It doesn't feel like a little tractor. Um, I don't know how to explain, but it's just, you can just tell that the power is there. So just wanted to give you a heads up about that. I'm really happy how the bike turned out, and I'll come out with more videos on the bike. So thank you for watching. As always, see you on the next one.